Friends, so previous classes completed chapter continuity. So now start next topic, differentiability. 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 So differentiability. Suppose f is a real valued function and c any point belong in its domain. आप डिफरेंशियबिलिटी आप क्लास 11th में पढ़ चुके हैं. लेट f be any real valued function and c be any point belong in domain, then differentiability of f of x at c is defined by limit x tending to c f of c plus h minus f of c divided by h. Once again repeat, f is a function, real valued function, c any point belong in domain, then differentiation of f of x at c is defined by limit x tends to c f of c plus h minus f of c upon h. ये हम लोग क्लास 11 पे डिस्कस कर चुके थे. एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाई f dash c. सो f dash c is equal to limit x tending to c f of c plus h minus f of c by h. This is the definition. So f dash x is equal to, that is put x in place of c. So limit x dash, or suppose here limit x tending to c. So this is the definition of f dash x. X tending to c, that is the value of c is, the value of x is c plus h. So this is the definition. Now next is, आप क्लास 11th पे जो डिफिनेशन यूज किए थे आप उससे भी कर सकते हैं. सो एंड व्हेन सपोज पुट x इज इक्वल टू, put c is equal to x, that is f dash x, then put here that is limit, क्या होगा limit, value is x plus h, where here limit is wrong, limit is h tends to 0. there h क्या है, h is a very very smaller positive real number, that is very very smaller, tends to 0. So limit h tends to 0, f of c plus h minus f of c upon h. So when f dash x that is limit h tends to 0, आप c के प्लेस पे क्या पुट कर दोगे, x. So f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is the definition of f dash x, that is derivative of f of x at x is equal to c. And derivative of f of x, differentiable of f of x is also denoted by, f dash x. f dash x means differential of f of x with respect to x, and differential of f of x is also written as d by dx of f of x. This is read as differential of f of x with respect to x, and this can also written as f dash x, that is differential of f of x at x. Now suppose u and v, suppose u and v both are function of x, u and v both are function of x, then d by dx of u plus v is defined as du by dx plus dv by dx. दिस इज अलजेब्रा ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. आप अलग अलग डिफ्रेंशिएट कर दोगे. सिमिलरली u माइनस v, देन du बाई डी एक्स माइनस dv बाई डी एक्स. एंड नेक्स्ट u इंटू v, d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ u इंटू v, that is product rule. So product rule is, this is called product rule. So product rule is first into then second differentiation plus first differentiation into second into or second into first differential. That is एक को into करना है और दूसरे को differential करना है. And third, d by dx of u by v, that is quotient rule. So this rule is first multiply v, that is denominator into differentiation of numerator minus u into differentiation of v upon x square, sorry, upon v square. This is quotient rule. Now next theorem number 3. So one point is noted, every differentiable function is continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous, but it is not, but converse is not necessary to. So now example number, theorem number 3. Theorem 3. Theorem 3 is, if a function f is differentiable at a point c, function given differentiable at a point c. One more definition of a differentiable function. One more differentiable. Since f dash c is equal to, or f dash x is equal to, what is f dash x equal to? Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the definition of f dash x. So this can also written f dash x is equal to limit x tends to, or limit h tends to limit x, this is the value of f dash x. So f dash c is limit h tends to c f of c plus h minus f of c by h. This can also written f dash c is equal to limit x tend into c, limit x tend into c f of x माइनस एफ ऑफ सी अपॉन, आप सबका डिनोमिनेटर देखोगे ये h कहाँ से आ गया, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस x प्लस h और x का डिफरेंस क्या हो गया h, c प्लस h और c का डिफरेंस क्या हो गया h. तो डिनोमिनेटर में क्या हो जाएगा, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या हो जाएगा x माइनस सी. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू c, दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू c प्लस h. यहाँ पे आप पुट कर दोगे c प्लस h, ईयर पुट c प्लस h, सिंप्लीफाई करोगे सेम वैल्यू यही आ जाएगा, ये वैल्यू आ जाएगा सेम. सो f डैश c कैन ऑल्सो रिटर्न लिमिट x टेंड्स टू c f ऑफ x माइनस f ऑफ c अपॉन इन दोनों का डिफरेंस. आप यहाँ पुट करोगे x की वैल्यू, क्या पुट करेंगे x की वैल्यू c प्लस h, ये वैल्यू आ रहा है. यहाँ पुट करोगे c प्लस एच माइनस सी, सी कैंसिल, h बच जाएगा ये। सो बोथ आर सेम बट रिटन डिफरेंट फॉर्म। नाउ थ्योरम नंबर 3। Theorem 3 is if a function f is differentiable at a point c, function given differentiable, then it is also continuous at that point. That is given function differentiable, then so that function is also continuous. So since f of x is differentiable at x is equal to c, so use by definition, therefore f dash c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c upon x minus c. This is the definition of f of x, of f dash x. Here show that function is continuous and given it is differentiable. So for what to show, what will we show for continuity? That is limit value is equal to point function value. If we show that limit value is equal to point function value, then function is continuous. So here use algebra of limit. So this can return limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c divided by limit x tending to c x minus c. अलजेब्रा ऑफ लिमिट, यह लिमिट किसका होगा? न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का ही होगा, दोनों को हम अलग अलग कर दिए। So what is the value of x minus c when x tend into c? Real or not? When x tend into c, that is x क्या है? just c को अप्रोच कर रहा है, अभी पहुंचा नहीं, just अप्रोच कर रहा है। Then x minus c not is equal to 0. That is x minus c is a non-zero real number. ये x माइनस सी जीरो कब होगा? when x is equal to c. तो x is equal to c and x tend into c both are different. So this is now non-zero real number for x tend into c. When put x is equal to c, then this becomes 0. So now cross multiply. So f dash c into limit x tend into c x minus c, and use algebra of limit. So limit x tend into c f of x minus limit x tend into c f of c, and when put limit x tends to c, then f dash c into 0, this equal to limit x tends to c f of x, and put here x tends to c. This is a constant function, so same as value, and f dash c into 0 is equal to 0, and this term taking left side, so this is f of c. This term taking left side, so f of c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x. So limit x tends to c f of x is equal to f of c, that is limit value is equal to point function value. So f of x is continuous, therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to c. So every differentiable function is continuous, but converse not necessary true. Every differentiable function is continuous. Derivative of composite function. Next है derivative of composite function. right, derivative of composite function. So derivative of composite function means more than one function, that is composition of two function, or suppose derivative of composite function, derivative of composite function, suppose f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube. Check that it is a composite function or not. Here given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube. First function is a linear function 2x plus 1, and next function is a cubic function whole to the power cube. So this is called a composite function. अब composite function ऐसे आप कैसे सपोज करोगे? कंपोजिट फंक्शन आप इसको आप डायरेक्ट या तो बाइनोमियल थ्योरम पे एक्सपेंड कर दें, 2x प्लस 1 होल क्यूब, यदि यहाँ से आप डिफरेंशियल निकालोगे d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स, दिस कैन रिटर्न d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 2x प्लस 1 होल क्यूब. होल दिस 2x प्लस 1 सपोज x, 2x प्लस 1 को क्या सपोज किए? x. देन यूज फार्मूला d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x टू द पावर n. व्हाट इज फार्मूला? पावर इंटू 1 पावर माइनस इंटू d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x, दैट इज बेस. d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ बेस, इसका बेस क्या है? x. सो d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ बेस. अब यह dx बाई डी एक्स कैंसिल, सो बिकम्स फॉर्मूला n इंटू एक्स टू द पावर n माइनस 1. बट आप ये भी याद रखेंगे कि बेस का भी डिफरेंशियल होता है. सो दिस कैन रिटेन फर्स्ट होल सपोज x, दैट इज यूज फॉर्मूला x टू द पावर n. सो पावर इंटू 1 पावर माइनस, that is 3 into 2x plus 1 power minus, that is 2 into d by dx of base. What is base? 2x plus 1. बेस का भी करना है डिफरेंशियल. सो दिस इक्वल टू 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square d by dx. So next d by dx of 2x and d by dx of 1 is 0. So this equal to 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square, this constant 2 taking right side left side, and d by dx of x is 1, 2 into 1. So 2 and 3 into 2, 6. So 6 into 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the differentiation of composite function. अब आप एक्सरसाइज लगा सकते हो, एक्सरसाइज 5.2 आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. एक्सरसाइज 5.2 आप ये ट्राई करोगे एज ए होमवर्क. सब में यूज़ करोगे u बाई वी, u इंटू वी, u प्लस वी. ओके, थैंक यू.